Physics Practical Paper 2023 Group 27. Section number 1. Question number 1. Verify that the time period of a simple pendulum is independent of the mass, density of an oscillating body. Question number 2. Determine the moment of inertia by a flow wheel about its axis. Question number 3. Find the speed of a sound waves using first resonance of position and end correction. Section number 2. Question number 4. Evaluate the specific resistance of a given wire by slide wire bridge. Question number 5. Estimate the internal resistance of a cell provided to you by potentiometer. Question number 6. Investigate the characteristics of a transistor. Question number 7. Draw a graph from the data provided below. Take M along the x-axis. What do you infer from the drawn graph? Question number 8. Plot a graph of the following recorded data taking V along x-axis. Determine the Planck's consist H.